Good morning to all of you. Next example, income from other sources. Example number 15 of your book. Investment of Sri Manmohanji as on 1st April 2018 and the income and expenditure during 1st April 2018 to 31st March 2019 were as under. Find out taxable income under the head income from other sources for assessment year 2019-20. 80,000 12% Maharashtra government loan, 20,000 9% Gujarat government loan, 45,000 15% tax free debenture of Himsan Limited. Here tax free, so we have to require grossing up. Rate of TDS is 10%. 50,000 12% less tax debenture. Amount of investment is given, type of security is less tax, so no grossing up is required. Of B Limited. Rate of TDS is 10%. Investment of interest of rupees 1350 received on 12% C Limited less tax debenture. Here interest is given, so we have to calculate grossing up, gross interest. Interest of 4,500 received on tax free debenture of D Limited. TDS is 10%. Winning from crossword puzzle gross 5,000. Winning from lottery net is given, so gross is required. 35,000. Rate of TDS is 30%. Interest received on capital investment bond fully tax free. 9% preference share of 10,000 of Malhotra Limited. Dividend distributed by Indian company is fully tax free. Rent of 38,770 from subtenant fully taxable. Interest on all the security become due on 30th June and 31st December. On 1/7/2018, Maharashtra government loan of rupees 50,000 was sold at rupees 51,000, and on the same day 15% Bihar government loan of rupees 53,000 was bought at par. The required balance of amount for such purchase was borrowed at 6% per annum rate from a friend. On 1/8/2018, 9% Gujarat government loan of rupees 20,000 was sold. On 1/1/2019, 15% tax-free debenture rate of TDS is 10%. Himsan Private Limited of rupees 40,000 were sold. 10% less tax debenture of Reliance Private Limited of rupees 60,000 were purchased. Expense 155 was incurred for collection of interest on taxable security. Now first prepare statement showing taxable income from other sources of Mr. Manmohanji. Assessment year 2021, previous year 1920. Particulars: amount. A. Taxable income. First, Maharashtra government loan. Interest on Maharashtra government loan. Working note number 1. Maharashtra government loan. Maharashtra government loan opening balance is 80,000. Rate of interest is 10%. On 1/7/2018, Maharashtra government loan of rupees 50,000 was sold. Sold during the year. Sold 1/7/18, 50,000. So 30,000 is closing ઉપર entire year નું interest 12%. Sold ઉપર interest become due on 36 and 31st 12. So એના ઉપર 36 નું interest મળવા પાત્ર છે, 31st December નું interest મળશે નહીં. So half year નું interest 12% multiplied by 1/2 or 6/12. So 50,000 એના ઉપર 12% એને divided by 2. That is 3,000. Closing 30,000 એના ઉપર full year નું interest 30,000 એના ઉપર 12%, 3,600. Total interest 6,600. Interest on Maharashtra government loan 6,600. Second, $20,009% Gujarat government loan. Interest on Gujarat government loan. Gujarat government loan government loan at par, balance tax free debenture, Himson Limited, debenture of Reliance Limited, full year no interest. Amount of loan is 20,000 એના ઉપર rate of interest 9 month. 20,000 એના ઉપર 9%, 1,800. Next, third, 45,000 tax free debenture of Himson Limited. Interest on debenture of Himson Limited. Working note number 2. Himson Limited. Opening balance is 45,000. 1/1/2019 sold. Opening 45,000. Sold 1/1/2019. That means એના ઉપર 30th જૂનનું ઇન્ટરેસ્ટ પણ રિસીવ થઈ ગયેલું હશે અને 31st ડિસેમ્બરનું પણ ઇન્ટરેસ્ટ રિસીવ થઈ ગયેલું હશે. સો સેલિંગ છે એ આપણે કન્સિડર કરવાની રહેશે નહીં. 45,000 એના ઉપર રેટ ઓફ ઇન્ટરેસ્ટ છે 15%. 6750. Amount of interest. Type of security is tax free, so we have to require grossing up. Let's assume that gross interest is 100 minus rate of TDS is 10%, so net interest is 90. ત્યારે interest ની amount છે 6750. then 100 how much? 6750 divided by 90 multiplied by 100, 7,500. Next, fourth, $50,000 less tax debenture of B Limited. Interest on debenture of B Limited. લેસ ટેક્સ ટાઈપ્સ ઓફ સિક્યુરિટી છે, ઇન્વેસ્ટમેન્ટ આપેલું છે એટલે ગ્રોસિંગ અપની આપણે રિક્વાયરમેન્ટ રહેશે નહીં. 50,000 એના ઉપર 12%, 6,000. નેક્સ્ટ, ફિફ્થ, interest received on C Limited less tax debenture. Interest on debenture of C Limited વર્કિંગ નોટ નંબર 3, સી લિમિટેડ. ઇન્ટરેસ્ટની અમાઉન્ટ આપેલી છે 1350. લેટ્સ અઝ્યુમ ગ્રોસ ઇન્ટરેસ્ટ ઇઝ 100 minus TDS 10%, so net interest is 90. 1350, then 100, how much? 1350 multiplied by 100 by 90. 1500. 1500. 1500. 1500. Next, sixth, interest 4500 received on tax-free debenture of D Limited. Interest on debenture of D Limited, working note number 4. D Limited, interest 4500. Gross interest 100 minus TDS 10%, so 90 net. 90, 4500, then 100, how much? 5000. 5000. Next, seventh, winning from crossword 5000. Winning from crossword winning from lottery note number 5. Winning from lottery, lottery prize, net lottery prize is 35,000. Let's assume gross lottery prize is 100 minus TDS 30%, so net is 70. 70, 35,000, then 100, how much? 50,000. Next, eighth, interest received on capital investment bond, fully tax free. Next, ninth, dividend on preference share, fully tax free. Next, 10th, rent from subtenant. Rent from subtenant 38770. Next, interest on all security. On 17 Maharashtra government loan sold, Bihar government loan 53,000 was bought at par. So interest on Bihar government loan. 11th, on 1718, so એના ઉપર 30th June નું ઇન્ટરેસ્ટ નહીં મળે, 31st December નું ઇન્ટરેસ્ટ મળશે 53,000. rate of interest is 15%. 53,000 15% multiplied by 1 by 2. 53,000 multiplied by 15 divided by 100 divided by 2, 3975. Total 3975 plus 38770 plus 50,000 plus 5,000 plus 5,000 plus 1500 plus 6,000 plus 7,500 plus 1,800 plus 6,600. 126,145. 126,145. This is A. Less B. Deduction allowed. First, interest on loan. Working note number 6. Interest on loan. On 1/7/2018. So loan was taken 1/7/2018. So from 1/7/2018 to 31st March 2019. So July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March, 9 months. Amount of loan 50,000 was sold on 51,000. So sold 51,000, purchase 53,000. So required balance is 2,000. This is loan amount. Loan taken from friend at 6% per annum. Rate of interest is 6%. Multiplied by 9/12. So 2,000 multiplied by 6% multiplied by 9/12, 90. 6,000, 2,000 multiplied by 6% multiplied by 9 divided by 12, that is 90. Second, interest collection charge. Interest collection charge is 155. So total be 155 plus 90, 245. A minus B, that is net taxable income. $126,145 minus 245, 1,25,900. This is your answer. 1,25,900. Next, example number 16 of your book. Sri X has furnished the following particulars of his investment for the year ending on 31st March 2019. 40,000 7% port trust bond. 5,40,000 10% redeemable tax-free debenture of Reliance Company Limited. Rate of TDS is 10%. 90,000 10% government loan. Next, 6,75,000 10% tax-free debenture of Asapura Company Limited. Rate of TDS is 10%. On 1/6/2018, he sold port trust bond of rupees 21,000 and purchased rupees 90,000 12% tax-free debenture of Krishna Company Limited for rupees 89,000. TDS rate is 10%. On 1/8/2018, he sold 10% government loan at par. Interest on investment become due half yearly on 1st January and 1st July. Preference share dividend was received on 31/12/2018. He paid rupees 1,000 as a commission to bank for collection of interest on various investment. He also paid bank commission rupees 400 for selling and buying of security of port trust and debenture of Krishna Limited. buying selling brokerage is not allowed as a deduction in income from other sources. Compute is taxable income under the head income from other sources. So prepare statement showing taxable income from other sources of Mr. X. Assessment year 2021, previous year 90/20. Particulars: A. Taxable income. First, interest on port trust bond. Interest on port trust bond. Port trust bond 40,000. On 1/6/2018 he sold port trust bond of rupees 21,000 for rupees 21,000 and purchased 90,000 tax-free debenture of Krishna Company Limited. Total bond is 40,000. So working note number 1, interest on port trust bond. Port trust bond. Opening balance of port trust bond is 40,000. On 1/6/2018 he sold port trust bond of rupees 21,000. So remaining 90,000. Interest become due on 1st July and 1st January. So he sold before 1st July. So એના ઉપરનું જુલાઈ અને ડિસેમ્બર બંને મંથનું એટલે કે ટોટલ ઇન્ટરેસ્ટ રિસીવેબલ નહીં થાય. ઓનલી 90,000 ઉપર થ્રુ ધ યર ઇન્ટરેસ્ટ રિસીવેબલ 7%. 19,000 7%. 1330. 1330. Next, second, 5,40,000 10% redeemable tax-free debenture of Reliance Company Limited. Interest on debenture of Reliance. Working note number 2, Reliance Company Limited. 5,40,000. So first of all we have to calculate interest. 5,40,000. Rate of interest is 10%. So 54,000. Types of security is tax free. So we have to calculate grossing up. So gross interest 100 minus TDS 10%, 90, net 90, 54,000, then 100. How much? 54,000 multiplied by 100 divided by 90. 60,000. 60,000. Third, 90,000 10% government loan. Interest on government loan. Working note number 3, government loan. Opening balance of government loan 90,000. On 1/8/2018 he sold 10% government loan. 1/8/2018 sold government loan total. So balance is nil. So એના ઉપર 1st જુલાઈનું ઇન્ટરેસ્ટ રિસીવેબલ થશે, 1st જાન્યુઆરીનું ઇન્ટરેસ્ટ રિસીવેબલ થશે નહીં. હાફ યર ઇન્ટરેસ્ટ. Rate of interest is 10% multiplied by 1/2. So 9,000 ના 10% 9,000 and a half 4,500 4,500. Next, fourth, $60,000 15% cumulative share of Noble Company Limited. Dividend on Noble Company Limited, totally tax free. Fifth, interest on debenture of Ashapura Company Limited. Working note number 4. Ashapura Limited. First of all, we have to calculate interest 6,75,000 and now per 10% rate of interest 67500. Type of security is tax free, so we have to calculate grossing up. So let's assume gross interest is 100, rate of TDS is 10%, so net interest is 90, 67500, then 100, how much? 67500 multiplied by 100 divided by 90. 75,000. Next, sixth, on 1/6/2018 he sold Port Trust bond, purchased 90,000 tax free debenture of Krishna Company Limited. Interest on debenture of Krishna Company Limited. Working note number 5. Note 5, Krishna Limited. Interest he purchased on 1/8/2018. So 1/7 નું ઇન્ટરેસ્ટ એના ઉપર રિસીવેબલ થશે નહીં. હાફ યરનું ઇન્ટરેસ્ટ રિસીવેબલ થશે 89,000. 90,000 ફેસ વેલ્યુ, ઇન્ટરેસ્ટ હંમેશા ફેસ વેલ્યુ ઉપર રિસીવેબલ થાય, એના ઉપર 12% એને ડિવાઇડેડ બાય 1/2. 90,000 multiplied by 12% divided by 2, 5,400. Let's assume gross interest is 100 minus rate of TDS is 10%, so net 90, 55, 5,400, then 100, how much? 5,400 divided by 90 multiplied by 100, 6,000. 6,000. Next, seventh, he sold government security. Interest on become due, professional tax dividend. He has paid 1,000 in the brokerage. So total income 1,330 plus 60,000 plus 4,500, 75,000, 6,000, 146,830. A. Less B. Deduction allowed. Deduction 1,000 interest collection charges. Brokerage is not allowed as a deduction, so taxable income 1,45,830. A minus B. Taxable income. This is your answer. Here our example is completed. In next session we will start our next example. Thank you.